Hey guys, going back out again on the Napa River, trying to catch me some stripers. Like I said last time, I'm the captain. Can't guarantee everybody fish, but I can guarantee myself fish.
Shut your bitch ass up. Right there though.
Hit right here though.
Hella tight right here on the shooter. Huh?
Hit. About 19, B, 18, 19. Yeah. First fish of the day, early in the morning. Get big, little buddy. Rob's on. Hey, how did you do that?
It's called a nice captain.
Please teach me how to fish like that, sir. Bro, they keep on nibbling over here, dude.
Really?
Yeah, on this side. Let it go. You didn't show the camera. Fuck that. I told you. I told you. I told you. I should have showed him this spot.
You said that too, huh? So far, like
Right there. There it go.
Yeah, hella close.
Yes, sir.
Sharks. Yeah, I didn't even throw it far that long.
22 inches. Get a little bigger, homie. God. Oh. Fuck.
Over there? I got him.
Oh, he came back. Came back. Ooh. Shit. Oh, this one's fatter though, homie. The other one's longer, huh?
Yeah.
Two sides right here. Get big, little homie. Smoke going on to the second one. Damn, bruh.
One shit was like.
Got this bad boy earlier, 21 inches. Gonna release him to get a little bigger, homie. Little size one. Big little homie. And we got double hookup on the kayak.
Oh, fucked up, man. Whoa. Oh, right.
We went through a school right now, though.
I know, I'm trying to bring him around.
Got small. Damn, B. That's good size.
Triple bitch!
Triple bit?
Oh, shit.
Damn. Triple hookup.
What I say, nigga?
Triple. How yours look, Rob?
I say about 20, 21.
Ooh, look at that,
Wow,
though. Right side, right
wow.
side, right side. B. Oh.
Okay.
Look at that. Triple hookup. Get big, little homie. Got that one time.
Release your spot? Yep. I'm gonna keep the next big one.
Big little homie. Hey.
Get bigger, little homie.
Oh, nibble. Hit. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, right there. Cast right there, B.
I'm gonna help you out, Rob. Hold on. What you oh, shit. Then he cast down.
Get big, little homie.
I see the water too.
Hold on, Rob. Right, I'm coming. I gotta take it off.
Hella tight. We was like, no, he's.
Yeah.
Oh, Rob, he just took it in me style your shit. Yeah, spit my whole shit out.
17 incher. You big little homie. 11.
That's a nice size.
Ah, snag. I came off. Oh, hit. Snag and hit, dog, again. Two size though. Probably like a 23. Woo. Big little homie.
Water, dog. Hit the water, bro.
For now.
Fuck, bro.
Kinda deep, he got one.
Another good one, dude.
Yeah. It's a good one. Hey, I snagged though.
That one?
Look at them, look at them, look at them.
Oh, you really got him. I think I don't know if the side moves that way. Careful. Do the grip. Do the grip. It's gonna come on.
Oh. Hey, triple.
Oh, triple. Triple, bitch. Up top.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Like it. It's weird though, bro. My shit bit. Came on.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
Something else bit it.
We're like same.
Another triple for us three.
Wait,
Third one.
Yeah. Make sure you
Third
record
triple.
this shit.
Third triple though.
Nice shot.
Little fatty, bro. I got the fattest one, but
Keep that fatty right there.
you big little homie.
Right there, y'all.
Six. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Rob, I'm on up. What, Rob, you got 16? Or 15? I got 17.
What you got?
I got 17. I need to put back on my sexy. Oh, it nibbled. Fucking faggot. Keep her though.
Yeah, get bigger than that. Damn, my shit auto. Like, it went in and out. Another time. Pick it up.